Nkanda, Ogbo, Aku, Nyambe, Jebab Ebonko, Jebab Ida, and Bonnie Joyden, they go there at the Abam, Izumi. And you're a woman, Mam Bommy, JD. It is under the year. Yaparawa, me to be Margarity. I am a Timothy Sang Namdong Bangay. Kaka Cameroon, Kaka Waibu, maybe I could go and so on. So, yeah, go over and believe it. I go over to get out of Quantum Minfan. I had Mana, you isn't them for Namde. Some say as young as me, you could even a Yaxico program, and I'm like a radio. And yet, I got a professor. Adi doctor, Professor Doctor Ifako Miller. Yes, you go be young see a radio. Anyadi Abanekbe. Adi Adaida Ekbe. So Malcolm Kenyadi camera by no move, Tamagan move to me. You give up. Boy, you don't want me to OJJ Bap Mgbe, Mboko, Mbakara, Ebonko, Bap Debo, Aku, Opoho, Nkanda, Bap Okoyong, Bap Ifako, Bap Paris, Bap Iyamba Bap Calabar Mgbe, Bap Ida. Since you are Parisian, I call Paris. Jam from them program them from the I feel like a boy by from you are. Well, what we are after today, we are honoring one of our chiefs by name Obon Ifako Okoyong. He was the clan head of Anaku clan in Okoyong. He died then and was buried. After, as usual, after burial, we have to celebrate all other things like Ekpe and so on. So as we are here today, today was the day that we bring Ekpe out from the bush.
Ikorekpe.
Yes, Ikorekpe. What we call Ikorekpe. So we have just finished that one, and we are going to do Nyoro. After this one, we are going to do Nyoro.
Is it today?
Today, this night. When we finish that Nyoro, then we end the traditional something. So that's what we are here today. And as we are here today, you see all these people with staff, they are title holders. This one by name, Denenwa, Ita. This one by name Denenwa, Fidelis Akbaito. The other one by name Edrakba Ikang. This by name Denenwa Etimayita. And you see my assistant here. This is my assistant. He's a rider by name Chief Okoyong. Okoyong. Then we have Denenwa, a man Brukamechop from Anaku. So those are the title holders here amongst us. Others are yet to come. Anyhow, we have them, only that most of them are not here. So that's what we are here today. Iyamba of Okoyong.